What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here with another food review. Got my friend, the mystery guest, behind the camera. Today we're going to be reviewing Snickers and Hazelnut. Snickers and Hazelnut. So, we saw this. We saw this at the Thornton's gas station. Once again, my favorite gas station in the world because it has so much crazy stuff. And this was something I had never tried before. I thought maybe it'd be good for a review. So let's check it out. Snickers doing some new flavors. Let's see if it smells anything different. Nope, smells like fried Snickers. All right, Snickers and Hazelnut. Let's do this. Do you want to try this, mystery guest?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Tell me what you think. Do you notice any difference?
Maybe a slight hint.
Yeah.
But very little. Just slight hint of hazelnut, but very, very little. Tastes pretty much just like a regular Snickers.
That's what I was thinking too. So,
yeah, that's weird.
Snickers and hazelnut. If you like Snickers, you'll like the Snickers and hazelnut. Because it pretty much tastes like a freaking Snickers.
I don't taste any, like, powering hazelnut.
Yeah, I don't taste anything else other than that. I mean, it's good, don't get me wrong. I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I'm kind of full. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Short and sweet. On Snickers and hazelnut, we are going to give it...
5.
5. 5 is pretty much it. If you like this video, hit subscribe. Tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out, and hit that like button. Punch it right in the mouth. And remember, before you take the first bite, you gotta shove it in your pie hole. Tasty.